A professional is an amateur that never gave up. In this video, I'm going to be unveiling two very important tips that can help you succeed on Amazon. These tips are not going to be related to technical know-how or how-tos on Amazon, but rather related to helping you increasing your sales on Amazon. Stick around till the end of the video because tip number 2 is very, very important and rarely talked about on YouTube. So let's get started. And hello, welcome back if you are a long-time viewer, but if this is your first time watching a video on this channel, hello, my name is Crystal and I'm the founder of Amazon Sellers Society and Sellers Society. We are a certified Amazon service provider and we work with sellers just like you on Amazon in the Middle East, Amazon UAE, Saudi Arabia, Egypt, as well as Turkey. Make sure you reach out to the team if you need help and support with starting your journey on Amazon or expanding. You'll find all the details that you need on our website, www.assmiddleeast.org. Don't forget to check out the product description of this video, where you will find an exclusive free training that can help you learn more about selling on Amazon. Now, starting off with tip number 1, manage your expectations. To manage your expectations properly, you need to look at the numbers and data on Amazon. Amazon is a type of business that combines luck with data, know-how, and a lot of information that you need to acquire as a seller. Remember, our main purpose is always to transform from a beginner into an expert, of course, in any business or any venture that you attempt, also in Amazon as well. Now, what do I mean by this point or this tip? What I mean is you really need to manage your expectations for any product that you want to sell on Amazon. So let's say you're walking around somewhere in a store and you find the product and you think, well, I want to sell this product on Amazon. Or maybe you are currently a manufacturer or you own a particular product and you think you want to sell this product on Amazon. You need to be fully aware of the data on Amazon so that you can understand the expectations of this product on Amazon. And this is how we divide, or to understand all of this, we're going to divide it into 3 separate sections. Section number 1, for any product that you want to sell on Amazon, you need to know what is known as the demand. And the demand equates to the search volume of the main keyword for that product. Quickly, the concept of this means that each and every, there's certain customers that are logging into Amazon searching for whatever product you intend to sell. You want to know how many there are so that you can figure out whether or not this could be an appropriate product for you to sell. Number 2, you need to check your competitors. Amazon is a competitive marketplace, and no matter what you sell, even if it's a very unique product, you're going to find somebody selling something similar to it. So you want to learn from other people's mistakes or from other people's experiences. So one thing that you need to know is to check who your main competitors are. And quickly shifting to step number 3, well, you need to know your main competitors, how many units they are currently selling on Amazon per month, and how much money they are generating in revenue also per month. Now, to know all of this information, you can utilize tools, third-party tools that can help you decipher the data on Amazon. More on this in a few minutes. Why is this information very important? Because you might be thinking about numbers of sales for the particular product that you intend to sell, which don't currently exist on Amazon. Hence why we need to manage your expectations. But one small important side note that you need to remember is that when you're looking at these top competitors, don't think that you're going to be getting the same sales as somebody that's been selling for a while and somebody that's already established their business on Amazon from day one. Certainly, that would not make sense. What you would need to think about is you'd be able to get within the first 3 months of you launching the product around 25% of the sales that your competitors are generating. So if those numbers make sense to you and this expectation works well, then that would be a product that would be a good product for you to launch. Now, going back to Helium 10, Helium 10 is a tool one of many tools, but it is one of my preferred tools, specifically for anyone that's selling on Amazon in UAE, for you to use in order to understand and to decipher all of this information. Amazon Sellers Society has a specific discount code for Helium 10 users. You'll find the information in the description box of this video, and the discount code is going to give you around 20% discount for the next 6 months, which means you're going to get a discount value of over $120 US. Now let's look at Helium 10.
So here's a quick and rapid tutorial of how you could use Helium 10. So Helium 10 has a lot of tools, some designated for product research, some designated for keyword research, and a lot of other features. Here, I want to show you how you can utilize Magnet for specifically knowing the first thing, which is the search volume. So as an example, let's select a bottle as an example. We're going to click on Get Keywords, scroll down, and then Helium 10 is going to provide us for the keyword that we have searched, which is bottle, the actual search volume. And the search volume is an estimation based on monthly searches. As you can see, you can also look at the historical data going back to a year, or you can also look at other keywords that could be related. Now, if search volume is your main criteria, you simply click on search volume so you can get the highest to lowest. Water, being related to bottle, is the most used keyword in this case. Water bottle, which is much better than bottle, has a search volume of 3,858, much better than the 137 searches on bottle. So this is just to show you that you might be using the wrong keyword to search for your product. So that's why Magnet is very essential, because it'll let you know what is the appropriate keyword, and most importantly, what is the search volume for that particular keyword.
Tip number 2, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. Benjamin Franklin. Now, just because we saw what other sellers are selling on Amazon, and just because you are okay with getting about 25% of what these sellers are generating, that doesn't mean that just by simply launching your product on Amazon, you're gonna actually get those numbers in sales, revenue, and everything else. Of course, you need to have a solid plan of action for launching your product properly on Amazon. I'm starting with the launching of the product, but you certainly also need a plan to scale and beyond that as well, to constantly be generating sales for your product. Actually, let's take a step back, because you can start your launch plan at the pre-launch phase, a month or so even before the product launches. Now, yes, correct, you can't do anything pre-launch on Amazon, because if the product is not existing on Amazon, you can't promote it, you can't even show it to potential customers, but you can do that on your own platform, or you can do it on social media. Now, you might be a busy entrepreneur, and you might be somebody that doesn't really have the time to create social media pages. Let's be honest here, nowadays it's like virtually impossible not to have a social media presence for anything online. And starting a TikTok page or an Instagram page or a Facebook page, all of them or just one, is free of charge. These accounts are all free. Now, what you can do at the pre-launch process is, or at the pre-launch level, is that you can use social media to hype up people so that they know that you're about to launch this product. And once you do launch it on Amazon, then you have a few people that have been following you that are probably interested in the product, where you let them know that, boom, you've already launched the product, and then they can be notified about it. Now, during the actual launch of the product, once the product is active on Amazon, you certainly need to think about two main things. Number one, you need to think about what additional promotions that you can create so that you can catch customers' attention. Remember, you're probably a new product and a new brand on Amazon that nobody has ever seen before. So there has to be something other than the product itself that is going to be, well, interesting for people to be interested to purchase. So adding things like a promo code, a discount code, which are very exciting to customers. And almost, as the data shows, almost 70% of customers make their shopping decisions based on these discounts. So they're very valuable. So think about and consider adding those. Also think about reviews. You certainly need to have a plan for reviews. Statistics show that 70% of customers are unwilling to purchase a product on Amazon and even online if the product doesn't have reviews. So you certainly need to have reviews. But the problem is, if you don't get any sales, you don't have the chance of getting reviews. Hence why a launch strategy is very important, and lowering your price in the beginning is also very important, because a low price is going to get you more sales because customers are going to feel more excited to buy your product. The more sales you get, the higher your chances of getting reviews. Of course, during this time, you can also leverage and focus on social media, which is going to get you external traffic into your product page on Amazon, which is something that maybe other sellers are not doing. Yes, it is an extra investment on top of everything else you have to do, but it might be worthwhile for your business. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Leave me a like on this video and leave me your questions and your comments in the question section or in the comments section below. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.